Hello guys, how are you? Today our topic is reference image. So without wasting time, let's start our today's topic. So first of all, we will have to click on this plus button. When you will click on it, this small pop-up will come and we have to click on upload a file. When we will click on upload a file, we will choose our pic, whichever you want to edit. So I will choose this one. So now I will click open. So as you can see that the pic has come here. So you can do two things. One, you can click or click or just you hit the enter button. So when you hit the enter button or click, this pic has been uploaded in here in Midjourney. So next thing is that we will click on it, then we will right click on it and copy image address. If you don't have a copy link option, then you will click on copy image address, your link will be copied. So what the next step is that we will come here, we will just type slash or we will click on imagine prompt. Here first of all, what we have copied, we will paste here. So after pasting it, comma, space, and now what we will do is that we will write a prompt here. So here is our prompt. A neon professional color grading, soft shadows, no contrast, clean sharp focus, film photography, horror movie theme. And this is something seed. If you want to learn this seed value, you just comment, I will make video on seed. So as you will click on it, it will take time. It will give direct command to Midjourney. So we have to wait a little. So Midjourney will give us for these variations. Let's open in new browser so we can see our full quality. This pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4. So whichever you like, if you want same 4 variations of this pick or any one of these, all you have to do is just click on V1. If you want same pick with 4 variations, you will have to click V1. And if you want upscale the same pick, so you will have to U1. You will have to click on U1. So what I did is that I clicked on U3 and U4. I want to just upscale these two picks. So what we will get the result? We will get the result this one. This is our third pick. And if we will click on U2, U4, then we will get this result. Now I will open this in new browser so we can see the full quality. This is 4, this is third. Now this is your final result. Whichever you want, all you have to do, just click on these pics. I hope this video will help you to edit your own pics. I wish you best luck.